What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys know, we are still doing our crypto coin display giveaway. As you guys can see right here, it's a $125 ticker crypto display that I have in all of my YouTube videos. So if you want to enter to win one of these, just comment your favorite cryptocurrency down below, as well as comment subscribed. Do those two things as I will be checking, and if you're not subscribed, you won't win. And we're going to be doing the drawing tomorrow morning or sometime tomorrow. Otherwise, as you guys know, we just broke 50,000 subscribers here on the channel. Thank you so much. And because of that, we will be doing this giveaway as well. Very similar to the way we do the Bitcoin one, but you still have a chance to comment your favorite crypto and subscribed. And that's pretty much it. We'll be giving this away as well on Sunday, so stay tuned. More importantly, to dive into today's video, we're going to be looking at the recent consolidation that is still happening within the major cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Binance Coin, as well as XRP. These are the three that we're pretty much going to be focusing on, not necessarily Ethereum, because Ethereum seems to just keep exploding. It's literally been day after day after day. We have a little bit of consolidation and then we pump even higher. But the other cryptocurrencies like XRP and like Bitcoin and even Binance Coin have been stuck in a consolidation pattern, waiting for even the slightest bit of volume to just allow it to breach through its top resistances, close a little bit higher, and allow ourselves to, funnel to the upside. So very exciting, but it's going to happen very soon. As you can see, volume is slowly ending. And as we know, consolidation usually ends in a big volume break. Either we're going to soar to the upside or obviously tumble to the downside, but we'll discuss more in a minute. I want to give a huge shout out to Minto for sponsoring today's episode. Hopefully you guys remember Minto from last week when we made a video on them, but they're basically this hybrid way of mining cryptocurrency online to actually make you a profit instead of actually mining with like an ASIC computer. So definitely stick around. We're going to be talking about that more at the end of today's episode. Otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's jump into today's episode. All right, guys, just a quick update and reminder for those that didn't catch the live stream yesterday that I made right here. Pretty much I am going to Florida for this week. I'm actually recording this video very early, like 6 a.m. in the morning. And after today, I will be now taking a flight in like 3 hours to Florida. And then hopefully I'll be recording the videos there. If everything goes well, it should be hopefully normal schedule, normal upload time, but that all depends on the Wi-Fi. If it's bad Wi-Fi, I will figure it out. Otherwise, I'll probably just do live streams. So one of the two, you'll still see me. I just wanted to give you guys an update that if all the videos aren't coming out super early like they normally do, that is the main reason. I'll also be showing you guys some stuff down in Florida when we go there too. But more importantly, as you guys can see, broke 50K, and diving into the technical analysis to pretty much cover everything. I guess we'll start with the current coin market cap. You can see we're only up about 0.94%, but today it's only 6:30 in the morning. So I'm gathering that we're going to see hopefully we're going to see some consolidation throughout the rest of the day, and hopefully we can break through our top resistances, allowing us to head even higher. Now, top 10 cryptocurrencies, like I said, are pretty much, they're not really doing anything in regards to how, which coins have been overperforming. It's obviously Solana up 60% in regards to the past 7 days, and Ethereum up 21%, which we've caught a major rise to. You can see with Ethereum, it's a very simple pattern, and that's pretty much what we're waiting for with all these cryptocurrencies moving forward that I'll explain to everyone that's new to the channel in a second. But Ethereum just a few days ago, like 4 days ago, had closed a daily candle above its top resistance. As you can clearly see here, what we were looking for is this resistance level to be broken and to close the daily candle above that. So you can see this closed above this resistance. We closed the daily there. And then when that candle closed at about, 8, 9 o'clock at night, that's when we bought in and leveraged it to the upside, which was obviously a great volume explosion. And then we just move our stop losses up and allow ourselves to consolidate. Almost got stopped out here, but we didn't. So we're just continuing to ride it up. We're still in a position for Ethereum, which is very exciting, and we'll see how exactly it plays out. But stop loss is a little bit lower. It's closer to about $3,800 right now. Currently floating at a little over $3,900, but still absolutely incredible. But the main thing we were looking for is which way we were going to confirm. And I'll zoom in because this is very vital. We've pretty much mapped out very strong resistances, price ceilings, and a very strong support and uptrend. basically needed a confirmation of which direction we were going to break to, whether it was going to be to the upside or the downside. If we had broken below this uptrend and closed the daily here at like 3,000, we would have bought in and shorted down to the moving average, if not all the way down from point B to point C on the LA wave formation. If we had closed above, we buy in long, doing exactly what we just did. Now, how does this affect XRP and these other cryptocurrencies for you guys? And thank you for being patient when I talk about XRP. But well, first off, I don't know what you guys think about this, but is this potentially a like cup and handle formation? I know some of you guys have been looking. I don't know. Some of you guys have been saying that it was a cup and handle formation down in the comments below for like yesterday and the day before. But if anything, it seems more like a double top possibility, which could send us down spiraling to point C. Very big chance we could even do that separate and irrelevant from Ethereum and see the big correction, which would be unfortunate, but it's just something that I'm starting to notice. There's clearly a very strong support level on this coin down right about here. There seems to be some sort of support right at $1, which we've known for XRP that was $1, but you can see kind of how it bounced off the bottom and it's forming some sort of double bottom formation. Hopefully, well, actually, this looks more like a double top formation than a double bottom. Sorry, a double bottom formation, which is usually a bullish scenario, actually. That's a little early, so bear with me. But the fact is, with this double bottom formation, this is potentially a bullish signal that we've hit the neckline, and there's a good chance we should break out bullish. So that's actually very exciting to see that happen, and hopefully that will allow us to break through the neckline, very similar to what we did with Ethereum, and pump even higher. And what we're looking for is this resistance level right here to be broken, this price ceiling. As you can see, there's also a beautiful support level. So it's really just a matter of, are we going to close the daily above this resistance, this price ceiling, or are we going to close the daily below this support, this uptrend here? It's really just as simple as that. Which direction are we going to be confirming? Obviously, everybody wants us to be breaking bullish. So do I. We'll leverage it to the upside using BitYard as always. But that's pretty much what we're waiting for right now. So if we, as of today, hopefully by the end of today, with all this consolidation, hopefully it doesn't take a little bit longer, because it could take all the way to like the 9th, and we have about like maybe 4 days left, I think. 5 days left. It would take about 5 days to consolidate, maybe 4 days to consolidate or 6 days to consolidate to the 10th. And then we could potentially retest the top resistance, which is ideally not what I want to see, but still a possibility. So hopefully today we can get the volume that we need, close the daily above that, close at about $1, maybe $1.33, $1.37, confirming that we've broken above here, bullish, which understand we have not done in a very long time. We started retesting this early August 14th, and it's been over 2 weeks, over 2 weeks of all of August, and now into September. So almost 3 weeks of consolidation where we've been trading flatline and sideways inside the sideways channel until we breach through our top resistance or our bottom support. It's really that simple. That's actually a better way to play this. For XRP, it's either we break below $1 and fall and we buy in for a short, or we break above $1.30 and we buy in and we leverage to the upside. It's literally one of the two variables. Don't wait for anything else. This is the channel here. So it depends on which direction we want to break to that will allow us to either buy in long or sell in short. That same thing applies to Bitcoin as well. And I am very, very, very prominent that we are going to be breaking bullish. I'm getting very excited because Ethereum is also hinting that that's what's going to happen. It broke out first. But for Bitcoin too, it's very similar. I'm not even going to move this up. You can see just today we managed to close above $50,000 or start opening above 50,000. Yesterday we closed below it, and today we've actually opened above it. So hopefully this allows us to head higher. That's ideally the plan. Once again, there is a horizontal line probably right around 46 here, 46.9. But regardless, if we're able to close Bitcoin, I'm looking at a price closer to about 50,500. And it seems like we're starting to do that right now. So today might be a good day to buy in. Actually, no, I'm not too worried. Ideally, what I mean by that is that there's been days where we've seen within a day of confirming a breach above its top resistance, a price shoot all the way up to like $55,000. It's very possible. What I'm looking for is a very small break like this. We close, let's say the highest we get is like 5140, 51.4 or 5.14 on Bitcoin. And then we buy in. Like you could see with Ethereum, it was a very small break, and then the big volume came. That's ideally what I'm looking for Bitcoin. We can obviously see it happen immediately, which hopefully it doesn't, but we'll see how exactly this pans out. But even if it closes right where it is today, where it opens, where it closes, and we're at trading at about 50,300, that would be a signal to me that I'd feel comfortable to buy in. I mean, you can even see kind of here on Bitcoin that there's almost like this double bottom formation. That's actually quite interesting too. It almost looks like this. Like this is in some way a double bottom. I mean, I don't know what you guys think, but that kind of looks like a double bottom here on the 4-hour charts, retesting its moving averages, bottom support at 46.8, and then it just exploded up. I mean, that does ideally look like a double bottom, and it looks like we're taking advantage of this early. So XRP has a double bottom formation. You can see it clearly here on the 4-hour. 1, 2, and then explodes up, and hopefully we can clear the top resistance and we can break through the neckline, and that will allow us to move above the shoulders. That's ideally what we're looking for. But these can all be very good opportunities to buy in, and I'm getting very excited because I think the rest of this rally is going to be breaking bullish. Most people were assuming September, including me. I was giving you guys the opportunity to understand the potential that history has been consistent for the most part. We're pretty much year after year. We've been seeing some sort of consolidation within Bitcoin and the other cryptos from B to C within September, which is what we'd expect to see this correction right here all the way down. But there's been years where we decide to pump higher. So there's nothing to say that we can't do the same thing this year. So very exciting. And then as for Binance, you can see this is even the bigger one. It doesn't really have a double bottom formation as much as it has a massive, and I mean massive, support level right here. I don't know how else to describe this, but there is a huge uptrend that is showing major support. You can see this is incredible. From A to B, there's a beautiful uptrend, there's a beautiful price ceiling and a beautiful resistance level, downtrend. But you can see clear as day how many times this price has tried its hardest to break through this downtrend right here consistently and has not been able to do so effectively. So once again, the same thing applies, that if this price can freaking close for Binance coin above like $510, that is bullish to me, and we will see a major pump of volume to the upside. Same thing applies to if it corrects below its uptrend here. Clear as day, we close at like 460. That's a big confirmation to buy in for a big short all the way down to like 378. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk about Minto. I want to give a huge shout out to Minto for sponsoring today's episode, guys. Hopefully you remember Minto from last week, but for those that don't remember or are new to our 50K subscriber channel, Minto is an innovative decentralized mining DeFi platform which combines the advantage of DeFi and cloud mining. By enabling trust, they will lead the mining industry on a new level. Now, guys, Minto is a project that makes Bitcoin mining more convenient, transparent, and even profitable by eliminating entry barriers and reducing costs. Minto helps to tokenize mining power and to distribute mining rewards among all project participants. After getting the token that corresponds to mining power, holders may easily stake it on the Minto DeFi platform and claim their mining reward at any time. In other words, guys, Minto is providing direct access to Bitcoin mining space. This is being achieved through their tokenization of hash rate from the Minto mining farm. The underlying token is the BTC-MT token on the Heko chain. Overall, Minto is backed by the state-of-the-art data center located in Karelia, which houses the project's mining operation. The 86,000 square meter data center is just 2 years old and has been fitted with the most profitable mining equipment available. So guys, the power for the mining equipment is supplied via a private hydroelectric plant with a current cap of 64.5 milliwatts, which ensures that the facility always has more than enough available power. Now guys, the total mining capacity allocated by Minto for now is about 50,000 terahashes, while the total token supply is about 5 million BTC-MT tokens. So guys, Minto is verified not only by the Huobi chain, but also by the Huobi pool. And here's a look at the Huobi pool for those that don't know. Now, the coin itself works on Heko, and Heko is a successful blockchain to work on which you need to pass a large number of checks from Huobi. What's even cooler is Minto even won in the hackathon from Huobi, where CoinGecko was the judge. Not only that, they have also been audited by Hackin.io, and according to the results of which no vulnerabilities were found that could affect the security and functioning in any way. Also, one of the key features of Minto is that users can both stake to get mining profit or to trade it as any other cryptocurrency. So you can create strategies using both of these options. But the best choice right now in the beginning will obviously be mining. So guys, the mining rewards are distributed among all the stakers on a daily basis, and the lower share of the total token supply is staked on the platform, the greater the reward is distributed among the stakers. So their experience shows that usually users stake the DeFi platform around 15 to 20% of supply, and that means that each token would bring about 5 times mining rewards than the corresponding mining power. And all the mining rewards would be distributed in the form of WBTC token on Hecko. Basically, this is just ordinary Bitcoin. That means that each user can deposit this WBTC to Huobi Global and withdraw the regular Bitcoin from his account to pretty much any address. Now, Huobi token and USDT are also available to purchase by credit card for fiat on the Huobi exchange, and BTCMT is more liquid than mining equipment. So if you are dreaming to start mining, it is way easier to immediately get tokenized mining power in the BTCMT token on the exchange than getting an ASIC mining computer and trying to become more profitable than that. Lastly, guys, Minto project has already started their pre-sale last month, and it's the last chance to buy BTCMT cheaper. So don't miss a chance to buy out on their token at a lower price for USDT. Now, bonuses are also available, and that brings you an amazing opportunity to get mining power at a lower price than the market proposes now, and to get your tokens while staking early. So guys, the pre-sale is $1.50 per 1 BTCMT, and the number of tokens are all allocated for this pre-sale is limited. Feel free to get your bonus tokens by choosing the convenient lock period. Lock tokens could be staked too, which is also pretty cool. And if you choose the lock period, you would be able to transfer your tokens to the staking DeFi platform and get your mining rewards. Keep in mind, it does not affect your mining. To participate in the pre-sale, you would need to have Hecko USDT on your MetaMask and to purchase HT to pay for the gas. If you're interested in checking out their platform, I've linked them in the description down below. Otherwise, definitely make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.